Hello everyone. This is another video about the Learnix Center. Today I would like to introduce you to one of our students. His name is Demetrious Lynch. He is a military veteran, very well educated person with two master's degrees, and he decided to join our school, and I'm going to ask him to talk about it, why he joined us, what was his experience so far, and then we can listen to him and make our own decisions. So, Dimitris, back to you.
Okay. My name is Demetrious Lynch. My experience so far has been excellent. I enjoyed both of the instructors, Alex and Larry. We had other instructors that came through helping us with sessions on your work experience, interview sessions, exactly telling you in detail how the software tester works and performs its duty jobs every day on a daily basis. It was a very new experience for me. Very intense, but the class is very, very, very thorough. They know what they're talking about. If you ever have any problems or you're not catching on as quick, you don't worry about it. They would be glad to go over the problems and the readings, and all the materials, all the modules, all over again for you. So you won't be left behind. They're there for you. You have contact with them. You can contact them by email, cell phone, whatever. Um, the lessons, the homework is very thorough. It just all they try to tell you, at least just go over the modules. If you have to go over more than once, do it. I'm a college grad, so I know what that's like when you don't understand something. You just keep going over until you understand it. Now, if you still get into a bundle, that's when you get in contact with either Larry or Alex, and they'll be glad to help you. So you're not going to have any problems with that. Like I say again, they're not going to leave you behind. They are there to help you with the interview process, help you with finding a job and revising your resume. So make sure you have an updated resume to give to Larry so that he can look over stuff and help you out with that, as well as helping you find a job as well.
Well, Dimitris, thank you so much for your kind words. Definitely, we are here to help everyone. And again, thank you for coming for this to make this video. We really enjoy having you here. And like I said, if you have any more questions, please come to us anytime. We have an open door policy.